Hi guys, good afternoon or good evening or good morning, wherever you're watching me as from. Welcome to Vibes and Variable, your favorite weekly show. Anyways, see, this boy is always stressing me. I'm not going to lie.
What did I do?
We had 30 minutes to do this thing. We had 30 minutes. This nigga, we are trying to work with 4 minutes all this way. I'm not saying it.
I don't know why she's rushing to class, yeah, but
I don't know how much into class.
because what he's going to do is basically go through everyone's assignment.
Yeah, I want him to I want to know my assignment.
Yes. Fair enough.
Because he's saying
He's saying what? You want to play sweet?
no, it's not sweet. No, he's saying that
200 naira.
no.
That's what he said last time.
No, that's not. It wasn't it. I didn't know
200 naira.
because he said he did not see my assignment in his email. That's why I was like, wait, I need to like be there and show him this. If he does not see it, I'll show him on my own laptop and everything. This week has been very long for me, like mad long.
You did not state what we're talking about.
Yeah, relax,
Oh, yeah, so,
relax.
yeah. What? You're trying to state how your week went.
Yeah, I wanted to state on my week, man.
Yes, but
then
you said this week.
So don't mind us about that. See, why are we saying this in front of the camera? I was.
When did you say you wanted to have your meeting?
What meeting?
No, you see, she can't even remember the meeting.
Oh, our meeting.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, please, I'm a married woman. So, welcome to Vibes and Variable. Don't mind all this nonsense side.
I shall say welcome to Vibes and Variables.
I'm Vivian,
I'm Pelumi.
your wonderful host. What do you think that's this week, sir?
I didn't really do so much. So basically, just woke up,
Okay.
ate, did assignments, raise and repeat, basically. Until I think 2 days ago, we had a meeting with one of 2 days on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. I had a meeting with one of cooperative, one of the startup I'm working with. So I went there to explain how our product works, and also we onboarded the vendor. Then basically came back. Yesterday I came to office, did some work. Then today back here, had some slight issues with the website, basically. So that's why there's a delay in the record time. That's why she's been missing. So after that, that's all. But yeah, again, you come.
I was out to still fix my PC. About
This
myself.
first person I know that calls Apple PC. That's the first.
I'm not the first. We are out there. We are out
So
there.
now we are. Who is me?
Because we don't like all this. Okay, I went to fix my laptop for this to rain.
So for this to read.
I think I fixed my laptop on Thursday, right? And yesterday I and some of my friends decided to have a weekend get away. Yeah, yesterday was great.
Me myself, she has not told me how our day went, how our yesterday went. But we were supposed to have meeting yesterday. This one left me for enjoyment. You see, life.
Please don't stress.
Yeah, it's only me that should be thinking about Vibes and Variables now.
After the call we had,
Uh-huh.
I told you to call me because I don't want to go. You're trying to get ready to come to the office.
Mm-hmm.
Remember
Yes.
why you were supposed to come to the office?
Mm-hmm.
So I told you, yeah, call me when you get to the office.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
And I texted you to know if you're ready. And did you reply me?
The thing was call me. So I later I sent a message. I'm like, I had other things. I had to step out, I had to run out. I still struggle to call this brother, this uncle of ours. He's telling me he's not hearing me. Well, I did my best. I did my best. I did what I want to do, sent what I want to send him. And I was I told him, and I told him I'm not doing that of this. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing it. I told him, oh, this is what I'm going to do. Decline me if it's fine. Right? He told me, oh, that's nice. It's okay. It's alright. And kini. All of a sudden, wait, all of a sudden, Mama to just text me this morning that we have a meeting. This morning, before class, like, how do you expect me to? Okay, fine, fair. I will try and make it before the class. I made it to class. Guess who was late? Guess who was an hour late? Guess. One.
In my defense, I made mention of me having issues with the site.
Then you're still late. Okay. Just accept it.
You said so.
So my weekend, I'm still.
So you want to say she's gaslighting everyone? You said what they call it. I said if everything was okay. I literally told you we could not use that script, didn't I? Okay.
No, but I told you something. I said something. I said, foul. This is just like a guideline. Mm-hmm. It's not necessarily what we want to use it for.
Okay. This will kill us.
And you were like, okay, no problem. I'm fine. Thank God you have settled you. Let me go and enjoy my weekend. See, don't mind this. In fact, we'll be ranting. This to be part of the setup. But me, I'm not going to read them. I'm going to be bad. I'm going to come here and tell people. He has been frustrating, and I know I don't frustrate him. It doesn't matter. It's him that he has been frustrating. Yes, but anyways, I can't abandon him. So we're introduced to
UI UX.
Do you want to tell us anything about UI UX?
UI UX is basically user interface and user experience. The user interface is basically how you interact with your product. It's the virtual part of your product or your website or whatever you are doing. Then your user experience is how you feel, how you use, and what you experience from the product. That's what I got so far. Then the tutor did a little bit of making the class interactive by showing us a bad UX, good UX, how it is, how it works. So before I add another issue.
And this is good enough for someone that wasn't even in the class most of the time. Anyways. Oh yeah. Anyways, in addition to what he said, so the tutor also gave us problems like how to solve Lagos road and traffic, and a lot of us came up with very, very, very interesting solution. And in those solutions, we still had to break it down and know the one that is more effective and okay to go on with. And that's how solving problem works in programming. That's how solving problem, even in general thing, anything. That's how you get a problem. Before you even want to solve a problem, you should know what you want to do. Right? You know what the problem, who is affecting, and all. You get the problem, you try to solve it. You reach out to people involved in the problem. You make your research and every other thing. So yeah, that's basically what we're doing today.
For our assignment, yes, we basically just did turning inline TSS to embedded TSS.
And trust me, to an extent, it was not easy.
It was easy for her. Like, relax. It was, you used less than, I used a full day. Wait, better tell them you have experience with, what do you call it, JavaScript already.
You don't need to.
You have experience with JavaScript. It's a lie. I have experience with neither. It took me a full day. I thought I was just going to do it for like at least like 2 hours max. Just continue my week like that. It took me from Sunday night till Monday afternoon or evening to finish up. Ha!
It's for someone that cannot, getting information and all.
Sure.
I don't know.
Anyways, I will show, and if you check the code, my code was small. I don't know how this auntie used to write
See, my code.
It's fully
My year. We are here because I think that was one of the things I was suffering with. I'm like, this is how my code is. I use an ID, and the ID that's prettier as a what do you call it, extension, right? So no matter how I do my code, let it become small. Once I press save, it's going to give me the automatic way my like Peter will rearrange it to me. So rearrange it for me. It's not my fault that you write your code the way you're supposed to. I don't understand.
No problem.
No, I have to like de-edit it myself. I have to like shorten it. If you see my code in the previous video, please don't get paste. I know a lot of you will be like, this kind of nonsense, please. I have to set it down and do it. I think that's how I'll be doing it. But it's not my. Okay. I'll just use text.
You guys, so we have to get back to class. Catch you guys right later when we are done with class. Yeah.